Buenos dias, good morning from Colombia. To be more precise, from Minca in Colombia. It's a lovely small little town in the Colombian countryside. I say town, there's like one street and that's pretty much it. Today I'm going on a hike to a waterfall. There's a couple of different hikes to a couple of different waterfalls here. I'm doing one today and tomorrow I'll probably do the next one. No idea if I'm going in the right direction at the minute, so bear with me and hopefully we'll get to see a beautiful waterfall and maybe have a swim. Oh shit, I didn't bring my swimming shorts. Maybe we won't be doing that bit. Okay, to say this is a hiking trail, there's a lot of bloody traffic. I'm constantly being passed by cars and bikes. So they even have these free motorbikes just parked at the side of the trail, so you can, if you're tired, you can just jump on one of them and make your way to the waterfall. Okay, so I have had one minor little disaster on the way to this waterfall. I've lost a little microphone muff thing off the GoPro media mod case. So I'm still using an external microphone now, but the little wind muff's not on there, so I don't know if it'll affect the quality. It's not really windy at the minute, so you might not be able to tell. Still annoying all the same. I'm going to have a look for it on the way back, but chances of finding it, slim to none. Made it. Oh god, I've caught up with people. Okay, so I made it to this point, the entrance of the waterfall, after about a 50-minute hike. So we're just going to go explore the other levels. I think you can go down and swim. I think you can go up a bit further as well. Second waterfall. Let's go. So we've got nice and up close to it. There's people having a swim at the bottom. I don't think you can go any higher. I'm going to have a look. Nope, there's no way to go any higher, so I'm going lower. So there's a lot of people here. I really don't fancy going in my pants in front of everybody. So, I mean, nobody needs to see that. So, yeah, pretty decent waterfall. I just had a random conversation with a nice little woman. Oh, look at this. Fish. Made out of bottle tops. How cool. So she's basically telling me about how to get to another waterfall, which I basically knew anyway, and it's probably the one I'm going to do tomorrow. But later on in this video, well, in this video it'll probably be now. So, buenos dias for the second time in this video, and welcome to tomorrow. We're doing the other waterfall today, so let's see what it's like. So far it's just been like this paved road, like a proper road, lots of cars going past. Hopefully we'll go a bit more off-road into the woods. This is more like it, on a little trail now, got off the road. Turns out the road just led to like a big car park and a coffee shop. Everyone was getting dropped off there to presumably come this way. Man, it's hot. Like maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes so far. I'm dripping with sweat, but the scenery, spectacular. And I've made it. Check this out. Very different to the one yesterday, but pretty cool. Oh my god, it absolutely stinks. Oh, that smells like actual shit. Oh, I hope that goes away. I don't think I fancy swimming. There's only, it looks like a tiny little area in the middle that's deep enough to even get your body under, and there's a few people already in there, so I don't think I'm going to bother. And the smell at the beginning kind of put me off. Well, that was a bit underwhelming if I'm honest, but that was okay. Worth the hike. It wasn't very long, I think 40 minutes, so a little bit shorter than yesterday's. By yesterday's I mean the one you watched a few minutes ago. The next video will probably be from somewhere else in Colombia. See ya. Oh my god, I found it. I can't believe I've actually found it. It may have been run over a few times, but it's absolutely minging. Need to wash it, let it dry out, and then try and clip it on. Winner, winner.